So you'll have a volumetric feeder, and you'll have a known weight, and it's a small amount sometimes, isn't it, that you're putting in?
Yeah, it can be like 22 pounds. It's a really fine powder, and then it will auger through, push you right into the mixer, and then it drops far enough in there where it's not sitting on the ledge. It drops right on the product. We just mix it continuously, and everything gets coated. And everywhere our product goes, each state has their own testing thing. We're definitely passing, and the good thing about these mixers is like your first handful, the last handful is going to be the same consistency and the same blend. So then when we're making fertilizer, when you're dump that first half of the bag, it's got to match the second half of the bag. Otherwise, you get over nitrogen, put too much nitrogen on the grass, and it'll burn it. But it's really uniform, mixes it really well, and then that way, like I said, first handful is the same as the last one.
Batch, 6 ton a batch.
Ice melt, we do up to 7 ton a batch.
7 ton a batch.
Our fertilizer size is probably roughly that 6 ton. We kind of have it really depends on the bulk density of everything. We kind of have charts that say 60%, 70%, 80%, and then that's where we know like the optimal batch size of everything. And then from that middle section, that's where you can weigh it out, see whatever weight you're running. And the bottom number is each bag across from the palletizer. So we're running 50-pound bags, 8,600-ish. That's actually what's up in that bag bin right now. Everything will come down through the spout. I always say it's a 50-50 kind of machine where half manual adjustment and half synchronized. This blend, 5 ingredients, it's probably a 12,000 ton batch. You get 12,000 pounds at a time. And then every mix, or every time we get a new batch, we pull a bag off, check it, make sure that it's correct.
It looks really uniform.
Right.
How many different ingredients?
I think it's 5. I'd have to look at the label, but I see 5 different ones.
Does it have a liquid active on it?
This would have a dust control, like a glycerin, where so when they spread it with their fertilizer spreader, it doesn't cake up. It kicks it out of the spreader. Stretch it over all 4 corners, and then it has a tension where it snaps it back out. And then it has a little bit more tension as it goes down the line.